Hello, in this video we'll be looking at how to make a sound on a tuba, just the very basics for now. So we know that the tuba is part of the brass family. It's a brass instrument because it's made of brass. This instrument is all shiny and silver because the brass underneath this has all been silver plated. There's silver plate on top of the brass underneath this. If you have an instrument that is what we call raw brass, you'll see that the instrument isn't very shiny. It's quite a dull goldy colour. That's the true colour of brass. This has been silver plated, just in case you're wondering. So what separates brass instruments from other instruments is that to make a sound on a brass instrument, we have to vibrate our lips to make a sound. I was really confused in my first ever lesson because I thought we could just blow down it, so I did this. And obviously nothing happens. Sound travels using vibrations. So on the piano, for example, you would press a key with your thumb or fingers, and inside the instrument a hammer would then hit some metal strings. The strings would vibrate, and then the invisible sound waves travel to our ears, and our brain makes sense of it and we hear those sounds. On brass instruments we have to make sound out of thin air. We have to do a bit of magic. So the way we make a sound is by having a sound in our head which we then buzz. To buzz or vibrate our lips, we need to blow air through our lips, and the muscles around our mouth, they control how close together our mouth is or how far apart it is. The air does that simultaneously as well. So when we blow faster air through, we create faster vibrations such as this. And if we relax and put slower air through, slower vibrations. So if I buzz this into the mouthpiece, if I do it into the instrument, all of a sudden the vibrations I'm making, they are amplified by all the space inside this instrument. So my buzzing goes into the mouthpiece, and all the buzzing I'm doing sends vibrations round the instrument, and they develop and end up going round the instrument through these tubes out the other end, and that's how we hear our sounds on a brass instrument.